In this section, we will understand the layers and background concept. First of all, layers are like transparent sheets or glass kind of objects which are stacked on each other. On this, you can have different contents like text, images, vectors, effects, and others. When you open a new file, you only have a single layer. Specify the dimensions and select the transparent in background content drop-down. Press OK. It will create a transparent layer. Open another new file. This time you can select any of the options except transparent. You can set the background color from the options given here or choose the color of your choice. You can later on change the color or convert it to a normal layer as well. Open the layers panel. You can see the background layer here. The background is a special kind of fixed and bottommost layer. In other words, it is like an image canvas. No layer can come below the background layer. Also, it cannot be transparent. You cannot delete from this layer. Instead, the background color will be filled if you try to delete. If you want to set transparency for background, first you need to convert it to a normal layer. To convert the background layer to a normal layer, go to Layer, New, Layer from Background. You can give it a name if you want. Press OK for now. The other quick way is to just double click the background layer. Press OK. The quickest way is to just click on the lock icon. You can see that we can delete from this layer now. If you want to convert any layer into background again, go to Layer, New, Background from Layer. By converting the layer into the background, it will fill the background color in the transparent area. Let's talk about relative questions. So, can we have more than one background? Well, absolutely no. As we cannot set the transparency to the background, there is no meaning of having multiple backgrounds. Only the top background can be visible if it was possible.